What's up, crypto gang? Welcome back to another episode of Hack Crypto, where we hack our cryptocurrency education. And if you guys are brand new here, we do a giveaway at the beginning of every single episode. Today's winner is 9Volt. Thanks so much for commenting on the previous video, 9Volt. I just sent you some crypto. If you guys are brand new here, like the video, comment with your wallet address, something about the video, and don't forget to be subscribed for a chance to win. Now, times are pretty tough right now. Times are kind of wild. The time that I'm recording this, coronavirus is sweeping across the United States. A lot of reports are coming out in the media. A lot of fear is going on in the stock market. A lot of sell-offs, not only in Bitcoin, but just in markets in general. And it has presented quite a lot of layoffs, as well as just generalized fear around income. The government's talking about putting in UBI with $1,000 a month and things like that, thanks to candidates like Andrew Yang running for president and getting that in the message out there. And I think that that's very exciting. But what I wanted to do today on this video was talk about ways that you can earn crypto during this downturn. Now, we don't know how long the downturn is going to be going on for. We don't know the severity of the recession that's kind of impending and been pending for quite some time. But the moral of the story is that you need to put money to work and look at this as an opportunity. It is, if you have just been laid off or you are seeking employment and you're trying to figure out what to do, try and look at this as an opportunity to learn, and try and look at this as an opportunity to put money to work and earn, whether that's a new asset class like cryptocurrency itself, or NFTs or tokenized assets or digital assets of any kind. Trying to learn all these different things, learning a new skill. It's an opportunity, and it should be viewed as that. It is scary, and psychologically it's kind of a tumultuous time for people, and it's something that you can take advantage of. So what I wanted to do today was go over 3 of the top ways that you can earn cryptocurrency in various different ways, some that are more active than others. All 3 of these ways I have covered on the channel in the past, but if you guys are brand new here and you are going through a difficult time, just like everyone else is, I think it's important to stay tuned and definitely stay till the end. Leave a like on the video if you guys like this video and it helps you in any way doing research and learning more. And let's dive into the first way. Now, there's a lot of different types of income that you can make. Now, interest income is probably one that traditional investors are more familiar with. And interest income just means if your money is sitting in an account, it is accumulating interest, and in a form that is making money, because you are receiving interest at fixed income. People usually are receiving interest as fixed income. And I think that that is the number one way that I'm going to go over right now as to how you can earn crypto during this downturn. Now, Crypto.com has been working with me for a very long time. I've covered them a lot on the channel. They have a physical debit card that is fantastic. So you can top up your wallet. That's a mobile wallet, and you can spend at the store on groceries. Crazy thing is with the green screen, you can't really see this card even when I put it in front of the microphone, but this is what the debit card looks like. I've talked about this many times in the past, and they are a patron of the community here at Hack Crypto. So I wanted to make sure that I mention this company first, not only because they're a patron, but because I believe in their ability to earn interest on your digital assets. And if you're able to open up an account on this platform specifically, you can hold your tokens. You can stake tokens, which means it's just basically like a certificate of deposit where you're holding your currency on this wallet, and it is giving you access to discounts like cheaper, newly listed cryptocurrencies. And I think that there is a massive opportunity for a lot of people out there to earn cryptocurrency by just literally holding the crypto on this wallet. So very intelligently, Crypto.com, when I talk to them about their earn program, what you need to do is you need to stake their token, their MCO token, and that will then allow you to unlock various different thresholds for what you can make while you are staking your currency on the wallet. So you can make up to 8% in many cases on the wallet. And 8%, if you guys are not running that quick math, just like what I'm doing right now in my head, is if you are staking $100, then that makes you $8 in a year. and that is an 8% return on that interest. Now, if that money is sitting in your bank account right now, you are going to be earning less than 1% on that. So if you had $100 sitting in a savings account, you're going to earn less than $1. And that is a huge delta between those two. And this presents you with an opportunity where if that number is larger, sitting on the Crypto.com wallet, earning, and you have staked tokens on there, you have the ability to earn 8% on that cryptocurrency. You are then, let's say you're doing $10,000 as savings and staking. You're then going to make close to $800 as a return. And that is a pretty substantial amount per month. That's close to $100 per month. And that's not chump change for anyone out there, but it is an opportunity. And I wanted to present the earning because this is completely passive. You're literally just putting it on a wallet and watching it earn. Now, there are a couple of other ones, and I've done a video on this in the past that I will link in the description below, so you guys can check out some of the other potentially collateralized loan aspects and borrowing aspects that Crypto.com and BlockFi and some of these other platforms have tried to do. But in my opinion, hands down, for earning interest on these various different tokens that I believe they have over 40 tokens listed on the wallet. It is a massive opportunity for people that are just holding altcoins and Bitcoin and Ethereum and things like that to just park the money there. And if you need it in the event of emergency, you can take out some of that interest that you've accumulated, and you can use that to purchase with groceries, literally with your card. So that's kind of my point here, is that if you have it in the bank account, in a savings account, you're going to have to transfer money. You're going to have to move it over into a account where you can actually spend it using your credit card that you'd have to pay off, or you'd have to move it to your debit account or your checking account where you would use a debit card. But in this case, it's literally one account where you're accumulating it, and you could just unlock it on the app and spend immediately with your card. Now, that is powerful, and 8% is extremely powerful. You're getting 5% back. Moving on to the next piece for Crypto.com, the last one that I will cover for this interest earning concept is that they do have credit available now, where you can literally take out loans against assets that you have on the wallet. And this is in the form of stablecoins. So it's not fluctuating in price like Bitcoin going up and down or anything like that. It's not volatile. It's literally collateralizing and taking a loan out in a stable coin. But to summarize, literally you can just deposit your crypto on their Crypto.com wallet. You can immediately take out a loan if you need to, and you're staking their MCO token with the TUSD and PAX, I believe. And that is a credit line that you can open up pretty much immediately. In the event of emergency that you need to use, you can do that. So with your collateral that's Bitcoin, you have 8%. Your MCO, I believe it's 8%, and then Ripple is also 8%. So an immense amount of value coming out of this Crypto.com app. And all you have to do is literally just hold your cryptocurrency on there. And that is a big ask to a lot of people. I understand that. But in times that are uncertain for a lot of people, it's important to have access to liquidity. It's important to have access to credit. It's important to have access to all of these aspects of finance that in the event that things do get worse, and they probably will, you want to have immediate ability to purchase things using that debit card. If you're earning 8%, you have the ability to really, really, really supercharge your holdings right now during this downturn. And of course, you have your exchange and you have the ability to invest. But I think that right now, the most important component here, personally, is going to be the earning aspect of holding that position and earning interest on that position, and having the ability to pull credit if you need it, and the ability to purchase using their simple debit card at the grocery store or for whatever your family may need, whether it's toilet paper or toothpaste, just something that has the ability to earn high interest and use this card to pay immediately with. The second way to earn crypto during a downturn like this is going to be masternodes. I did a series on this that a lot of you guys tuned into once upon a time. That was in 2018, which is crazy to think that it was that long ago. but it is a very powerful way. Now, of course, I'm a big fan of Divi. I've worked with them a lot. I work on their podcast and multiple aspects of the community there to contribute because I love what they're doing with Divi. And I think that their one-click masternode is what it takes for people to be able to simply set up a masternode and start earning passive income. Now, Masternodes Online, masternodes.online, was the resource that I partnered with during the series. They are still fully active, fully going on. So I will be leaving the link to Masternodes Online in the description below, as well as Divi that you guys can check out. And the important part here is you are not looking for things that are giving you 1,000% ROI. That is where you have red flags. Anything that says 1,000% ROI, 500% ROI, stay away from, okay? What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna see that there's volume, so there's liquidity for the rewards, and you're gonna wanna check to make sure that there's an actual decent ROI. Something like a 5% to a 30% is realistic in this space based on my experience, based on other people's experience that I know that actively participate in masternode ecosystems. And if you guys are completely brand new to masternodes, be sure to check out the series that I did literally from start to finish of setting up 15 different masternodes and working with the developers directly 2 years ago, or almost 2 years ago now. And it is a very powerful way of participating, helping a network with its governance, and helping set up this node on your laptop, your machine, and you can earn these rewards daily, every other day, and they add up over time. And you can eventually upgrade your node to different sizes. That's one of the really, really beautiful things about Divi is you can simply upgrade that node all the way from a copper all the way up to a diamond, and you can literally just keep upgrading as you're getting rewards. You can reinvest over and over and over again, and you can really start to earn some substantial returns. And you're participating in the network, you're helping, and you can really supercharge those passive gains in crypto. And also beyond that, the team at Divi is a rockstar team. They are solid. They aren't going anywhere. They just bought a bank not too long ago called Divi for payment remittance in Costa Rica. So they are in it for the long haul. They're doing amazing things. And I highly recommend not only checking out the one-click masternode setup and also checking out their blog and things like that. There's a lot of really great resources out there. They're one of the best, if not the best masternode available right now. That has been consistent. A lot of other people out there highly recommend them as well, and I definitely would suggest checking it out as a potential way to earn those beautiful, beautiful masternode rewards. There's also a bunch of other masternodes on there if you guys are interested in getting a little bit more aggressive with your risk profile on masternodes. I recommend going a little bit more conservative with things like a Divi masternode and things like a nulls masternode. But I do think that it's worth researching. Do your own research. Check out Masternodes Online. That's part of the reason why I brought it up, is just so that you guys can see the index there. It's like a coin market cap or an index of all of the masternodes and their statistics. Last, and of course, most certainly not least, we have Growyourbase, and that is the platform that I am a co-founder of. So I'm slightly biased here, but it is an opportunity to sit down, learn about digital assets, and earn them by going through and completing basic assignments. Now, once we covered interest earning, once we covered reward earning, which in a way is similar to interest, these are both very passive ways of earning income. Now, I do recommend, looking into other industries outside of cryptocurrency, but for the sake of this video, the top 3 ways. So we have Crypto.com being interest earning, we have Masternodes, and then we have Growyourbase, where you can go and you can earn digital assets and build out a portfolio of these various different types of digital assets, whether that's tokenized real estate with Realty, or all these different types of NFTs, non-fungible tokens on the Ethereum blockchain, EOS blockchain, Steam blockchain, Tron, all these different blockchains. You can collect those. Collectibles, gaming NFTs, digital art, all these different aspects. You can collect those and start really building a portfolio for as the market turns around. And I think that this is a great time to accumulate, especially let's say you are earning interest on Crypto.com and you're earning rewards on the Divi masternode. You could use a lot of the momentum from that to not only earn these various digital assets that are on Growyourbase that are fantastic, built by amazing teams, but you could also buy digital assets. You could buy realty tokens via the Growyourbase platform and earn rental income via these tokens. And I think that there is a lot of really powerful things in the pipeline that I haven't brought out yet because I've been very much focused on this market downturn. I know a lot of people have DM'd me about losing jobs and things like that. And I really wanted to just make this video to not just plug Growyourbase if I don't want to do that. I do just feel like we could help. And I do feel like these other amazing platforms that are trucking along hard, like Divi's going strong, Crypto.com's going strong, we're going strong with Growyourbase. We're not slowing down, we're gaining momentum. And all three of these platforms are a fantastic way to learn and earn during this downturn here. Now, there are a lot of other aspects to a downturn that you can address, that you can go after, that you can take advantage of, and you can really turn this into a positive situation, but it's easier said than done. And I understand that a lot of people are very upset, and they will be getting more and more upset in the coming weeks and months. But it's important to look at where an opportunity is and learn about that opportunity and take this time where we're quarantining, we're all social distancing, we're all staying in our homes and things like that. Learn about new types of assets, learn about new ways that you can put your money to work, and learn about how you can make money for your family in the future. So that is it for my overview of the top 3 ways, in my opinion, you can earn crypto during a downturn recession like this with an economic slowdown where people are getting laid off while they're sitting at home. And I wanted this to be a very positive video. I want you guys to feel motivated to go out, take advantage of an opportunity that you see and learn about all these different types of digital assets, learn about earning, and really just focus on taking advantage of these opportunities. Now, all of that being said, that's my review of the 3 different aspects. In addition to that, completely in the financial sector, as someone that's done fintech for years, there are massive opportunities. If you guys are looking for a job, there are massive opportunities in the lending business. Loans skyrocket during this time in downturns, and they need people that have zero experience, entry-level people that they're paying $30 to $50 an hour, depending on where you're based, to process loan applications. This is a well-known hack, I guess you could say, in the finance world. In the event that you get laid off, you go and you call the lenders in your local area. You call lenders, big-time lenders, small-time lenders, whoever they may be, mortgage companies, real estate lenders, things like that, and just call them up, ask them if you can help out with processing applications, because usually in times like this, the Fed is pulling their levers, moving interest rates around, and people flood in to apply for refinances, mortgages, and things like that. So that is a complete different track that I wanted to mention to people that really are in distress. That is a really, really powerful way that you can go and find employment quickly. And if that's what you're really, really looking for, and you need to find a main source of income, you should always set up different income streams and diversify. But outside of cryptocurrency, that is a big option for anyone watching this video. They will be hiring in an area near you. And that is it for this episode. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope it helped at least someone watching. And slap a like if you feel like this was a good video. And definitely leave a comment in the description below and let me know what you guys think about the current coronavirus situation. And there's going to be another amazing video coming out because I am social distancing. I am at home. So I'm going to be dropping another video real soon. And definitely stay safe, guys. And I will see you on the next episode of Hack Crypto.